Hi, it's Josh here at Jordan Bikes in Leeds. We're in our dyno this morning. I'm just finished mapping this MT09 tracer. It's got a full Scorpion exhaust system. These are really bad. We've done so many of these because they're really snatchy, really restricted from the factory. So I'm just about to do the final run now, and we'll see what we've achieved.
Okay, what have you achieved there?
So we started off with 96 brake horsepower and we've now got 105, so just a gain of over 9 brake horsepower and a massive 2,500 revs more top end.
And why are the revs restricted so much from the factory?
I just think it's for Euro 4. They are heavily restricted in 5th and 6th gear. This is 5th gear and it's massively restricted, as you can see, from before to now. So it'll be a totally different animal for the customer.
And we sorted the snatchy throttle out as well?
Yeah, we've done a full fuel map, so we've sorted his fueling out, full ignition map, electronic throttle valve mapping. So yeah, it should be all around a lot smoother and quicker for the customer.
Perfect. If you guys out there want yours doing, you're very welcome. Give us a call. We've got a brand new dyno for this season with a full viewing area. We've got a little TV there, I'm just looking at the back of it. So you can sit out there, I know it's awful out there now, but summer's coming, and you can watch all the work being done. Give us a call if you want to book yours in. Thank you. Ta-ra.